name is Hillary Wong, and I'm a librarian here at SUNY Cortland, and I'm representing as a librarian today because I am wearing my Dewey Decimal System dress. You can see it here in all its glory. It's got pockets. It's amazing. I'm not wearing a Library of Congress dress only because I haven't found one yet. Library of Congress is actually the classification system that we use at SUNY Cortland. But hey, it's got pockets. What can I say? Anyway, I am the library's liaison to geology, biology, chemistry, and physics. Yay! So that means I'm your go-to person. You can reach out to me at any point during your SUNY Cortland time. If you are having difficulty finding sources for a paper, you're having difficulty citing sources, you're having difficulty knowing whether a source is a viable source for your paper, I'm here to help you. It's my job. So you can reach out to me and I will be happy to work with you on it. Today you're going to be doing a little tutorial for me that is going to teach you about the library and some of the services that we have. So please work through it. Work through all the tabs on the left, the blue tabs. And then when you're done, at the bottom of this front page of the guide is a special activity. It's sort of a virtual escape room, but rather than escaping a room or anything like that, you're going to be escaping the library. And I swear it's fun. It's fun and it's cute. So please enjoy and reach out to me if you have any questions. And I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you. All right, take care.